Hey, so back in February I managed to upload 2 YouTube videos and my goal was to do 1 a week. It is now July. That didn't happen. So this is the next video and hopefully I can upload these things more frequently and keep them coming for you guys. Thank you for not unsubscribing, I really do appreciate that. This is a video I did about 2 weeks ago for Chery Sandton, just as a dealership promo, just to show potential clients what they can expect walking into the showroom. A lot of these videos that they've outsourced focused more on the car, and these guys would come in and they would do a close-up of the car. That was not what the brief was. The client wanted a video of the showroom. They wanted to show clients what it looks like. So this is my take on it. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. And hopefully I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Thanks. Also, hopefully all of this will get a lot better. The background, the lighting, the audio, hopefully all of that will be a lot better by the time you see another video from me. Thanks.
Welcome to Chery Sandton.